Well, I guess I better plug this in and see if it's going to work. And if it doesn't, turn your breaker back on. And I believe the breaker's on. Let's see what we got. Do we have liftoff?
We have liftoff, Houston.
Well, let's see. Let's see what we have over here. And sure enough, this monitor has come back on. We can turn the light on.
But I can't see. It's too dark in there.
Hey,
The bulb. Where's the bulb?
scared me. You scared me. I thought we did something wrong. So you can turn the music, the sound up, you can push it down, and there's different setups you can do.
Where did you put the bulb?
Rain. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Let's get you in there. Let's get you in there. Let's see. Oh, that doesn't show up very good. That's rain.
The bulb went into something.
And that's ocean side. Jungle Symphony. Bubbling brook. Peaceful forest. And we can set it up for the time and the heat and all that kind of stuff all right here. We're gonna have to find a bulb, because as I remember, we took that bulb out. Man, that kind of scared me. That I thought maybe we plugged this in wrong, but I'm sure we got it right. So here's the thing, on some of these saunas, we didn't find the bulb, but it's still working. We're gonna have to find a bulb for that, and then you control the bulb here. And as for the sound, you control it there. But here's the thing, on this particular sauna, there's no place to actually turn this screen off. So if you're gonna leave this on without unplugging it, you could just leave that off like that, have the door closed, and that's it. And that stays on all day long. Okay? It doesn't really take much power, but if you want, you can just reach down there and unplug that every time you use your sauna. And that's what she does. So that's what I'm going to do for now, is I'm just going to reach back in there and unplug it. Next time she needs it, she'll plug it back in. Well, there it is. One sauna installed, ready to rock and roll. We're kind of keeping track of how long it was going to take. It takes about an hour, maybe a little bit more. Obviously, if you're getting one of these first time, you have to unbox it on the driveway in a pallet. It's going to take you a little bit longer than that. Stick with it, and shortly you'll be done. I still can't believe it. One little Allen wrench is all it took. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.